Hello everyone. Before going into the explanation, introduce me and my group. My name is Muhammad Rahmanul Iqbal Zulrika and my friend Anissa Azura and Suriska Handayani and Kaisar Sania Balkis. Okay, we will explain the argumentative essay about fucking the campus war. Why freshman mental health should be a priority? Okay, have a good time watching. The first one, starting college is an exciting but sometimes stressful experience. Freshman change, such as adjusting to different class, making new friends and being away from home. And new students have bigger challenges that they face, which can have an impact to their academic because there is a lot of purpose causing new student mental health to become bad, so that new student becomes stressed and can even drop out of college because they cannot adapt to college. Okay, next, for this reason, this article explains why it is important to pay attention to the mental health of first year students and make mental health a top priority for new students, which can help them adapt to face challenge so they can be successful in their new environment.
Okay, the first material is academic pressure. This means the big demands on students to do well in their student. It includes getting good grades, finishing tasks on time, and doing well in exams or assignment. The first point is high expectation from lecturers and family. Lecturer and family often want students to get high grades, do well in school, and achieve big goals. Sometimes this expectation can feel too much and make students feel pressure. And the second point is difficultly managing time and learning independently. Students have trouble organize their time because they have so many things to do, like homework, exams, and another activities. Learning on your own also needs a lot of self-discipline, which can be hard if students don't have guidance or motivation. And the last point is impact. There are stress, anxiety, and depression. All the pressure and expectation can affect student mental health. They might feel stressed because they are always under pressure to success, anxiety about their performance, or even depressed if they feel like they are failing. And the second material is social and cultural adjustment. Social and cultural adjustment from high school to college involves several important aspects. First, the ability to adapt to a new environment must be built, including the line with the diversity of cultures, language, and backgrounds of new friends. And the second, independence also need to be improved, such as managing times, finance, and academic responsibility without close supervision like in high school. And the third is communication and social relationship. Skill become crucial to building support net network but academically and emotionally. Financial developing and mindset that is more often to difference and new challenge will help individuals grow into more mature and resilient individuals. The third material is different in learning system. The learning system in high school and university is different because university needs students to be more independent. In high school, learning is more organized with fixed schedule, help from teachers, and call and close supervision. But in university, students have to manage their own time, set priorities, and find learning resource by themselves. This difference can make it hard for new students to adapt, and their grades might drop if they don't quickly adjust to this more flexible and responsible way learning.
In this section, I will discuss the impact of mental health issues on freshmen. The impact can be seen in two main categories, namely short term and long term. The first, short term impact. Mental health issues such as stress and anxiety affect students' ability to learn. They often struggle to concentrate, their motivation to learn decreases, and their academic performance suffers. For example, when students feel overwhelmed by assignments and exams, so they become unfocused and find it difficult to complete assignment on time. In addition, this problem also has an impact on their quality of life. Social relationships are disrupted as they tend to withdraw from the environment, and self-confidence also decreases as they feel unable to meet expectations both from themselves and from others. The second, long-term impact. If this problem is not addressed, students are at risk of experiencing serious discouragement and deciding to drop out of college. The dropout phenomenon is not only detrimental to individual students, but it also has a negative impact on educational institutions. Therefore, mental health issues should not be ignored. If we do not take steps to support the mental health of new students, the impact will be felt not only by the individual, but also by the surrounding environment and society as a whole. Okay, next I will discuss strategies that can help freshmen overcome mental health issues. There are four main steps that can be taken. The first, provision of counseling services. Campuses need to provide easily accessible counseling services, both offline and online. These services can be in the form of individual counseling to help students understand and overcome their personal problems, or group counseling that allows them to share their experiences with peers. In addition, prevention programs are also very important so that students can recognize the symptoms of stress or anxiety early and get help immediately. The second, soft skills training. Freshmen often face difficulties in managing time, managing academic pressure, and establishing good communication. Soft skills training can be a solution. Campuses can organize workshop or seminar that teach skills such as time management, effective communication, and how to manage stress healthily. With this training, freshmen will be more confident and ready to face the challenge of college. The third, family support. Families have a big role to play in helping freshmen. Parents should listen to their child complaints and provide the necessary emotional support. Open communication between freshmen and family can reduce loneliness, especially for those who are away from home. Good family support provides a sense of security and comfort that helps students cope with pressure. The fourth, building an inclusive campus environment. Campuses should create a supportive and inclusive environment for all students. This can be done by providing social spaces, extracurricular activities, or student communities that help them feel welcome. Campuses also need to respect diversity in cultural backgrounds, religion, or social status so that students feel comfortable adapting. These strategies show that supporting the mental health of new students requires collaboration from various parties, including campuses, families, and students themselves. With counseling service, soft skills training, family support, and inclusive campus environment, we can help freshmen overcome the challenge they face and ensure they thrive academically and personally.
The mental health of a student is crucial for academic success, as the transition to university can lead to academic pressure, social adjustment, and financial issues. If these challenges are not addressed, they can result in mental disorder and a decline in quality of life. Therefore, campus need to provide mental health support, including counseling and skills training, while also fostering an inclusive social environment. This support not only helps students become more productive and resilient, but also prepares them to face academic challenges and develop skills for the future.